regarding population on the basis of sample. We need to test some claims regarding population on the basis of sample. For example, a particular scooter gives average of 50 km per liter. The proportion of an unemployed person into different states is same. These types of claims we have to test by using various tests. So basically, tests are divided into two categories: large sample test and small sample test. In large sample test, there are four types of tests. First test is testing population mean to a specified value of mean. Testing population mean to a specified value of mean. Next is testing equality of two population mean. Next is testing population proportion to a specified value of proportion and testing equality of two population proportions. These are large sample tests. So we learn this test for that purpose. We study some basic concepts. What is meant by testing of hypothesis? What is meant by statistic, parameter? What is meant by null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis, type 1 error, type 2 error, level of significance, statistical significance and practical significance. So we learn that test, and for this purpose we learn some basic concepts. So first of all, what is meant by testing of hypothesis? So here example, the population mean is I believe the population mean age is 50. Population mean age is 50, but we take a sample and mean of that sample is 20. And this mean of sample is not close to the hypothetical value. So we reject H0. Are you getting this? The population mean hypothetical value of population mean is 50, but we take a sample and that mean of sample is 20. So mean of sample is not close to the hypothetical value, so we reject H0. That means hypothesis. So first of all, we learn objective of these goals. So what is hypothesis testing? How to solve hypothesis problems and error in hypothesis, practical and statistical significance. How to deal with the students when they come with hypothetical problems. So next is what is hypothesis testing? बघा मी तुम्हाला आता सांगितलंय की a particular scooter gives average of 50 km per liter. When this is actually true. आणि जर आपण कंपनीमध्ये 90 सेकंदाला टाटा मोटर्स मध्ये एक गाडी चालवली, दिवसाला 10,000 वाट चालवली, म्हणजे प्रत्येक गाडी आपल्याला टेस्ट करून बघता येते की गाडी 50 km प्रति लिटरला एव्हरेज देते. So for this purpose we have to test this study testing of hypothesis. Okay, so this is called as hypothesis testing, making an assumption or hypothesis and about population parameter. For that purpose we are collecting sample data, calculate test statistics and decision using test statistics. So next thing, this is the 5 steps of hypothesis testing. Set up null and alternative hypothesis, tail of test statistics, decision using p-value or classical approach and conclusion. So first of all, what is meant by null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis? What is meant by null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis? Before that, what is meant by hypothesis? So hypothesis is a statement regarding population parameter. Hypothesis is a statement regarding population parameter, and this hypothesis can be classified in two categories: null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. So what is meant by null hypothesis and what is meant by alternative hypothesis? The null hypothesis is the hypothesis of no difference. That means a particular scooter, that means average life of a bird is 1,000 hours. Average life of bird is 1,000 hours. That means there is no difference between average life mu and 1,000. That means mu minus 1,000 is 0. Hypothesis of no difference is called as null hypothesis. While alternative hypothesis is the complementary hypothesis to the null hypothesis. So what is complementary hypothesis to the null hypothesis? So null hypothesis is denoted by H0, and we say that the mean of bird, average life of bird is 1,000 hours. This is the null hypothesis. Okay, so there is no difference between this average life and 1,000. So alternative hypothesis or complementary H1 is denoted by alternative hypothesis and is the complementary hypothesis to the null hypothesis. So what is complementary to the this mu is equal to 1000 is mu is not equal to 1000. Obviously this is complementary to the this mu is equal to 1000, that means mu is not equal to 1000. This is the complementary hypothesis and mu is not equal to 1000, that means mu is greater than 1000 or mu is less than 1000. So this is a alternative hypothesis. Okay, so first null and alternative hypothesis. Null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis is the hypothesis of no difference and alternative hypothesis is the complementary hypothesis to the null hypothesis. Okay, next, tail of the test. If mu is greater than 1000, then we say that this is a right tail test. Okay, mu is greater than 1000, that means it is a right tail test, and mu is less than 1000, that means it is a left tail test. Okay, next one is test statistics. So test statistic, not statistics. So test statistic means it is a summarized quantity of sampled observation. If these x1, x2 and so on xn, these are the random sample. Okay, sample. गावाचा फोटो घ्यायला गेलो म्हणजे पूर्ण गावाचा फोटो घरी घेऊन द्या. ते चेक करण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, थोडंसं सॅम्पल घेतो. तसं दिस इज अ x1 x2 and so on xn. This is a random sample and summarized quantity of these random sample are called as a test statistic. Summarized quantity means what? You know the mathematical formula of arithmetic. Arithmetic is written by x bar. And x bar is nothing but summation of all the observation divided by number of observation. Okay, so these x1 plus x2 plus and so on xn divided by n. This is the arithmetic mean. That means summarize. We summarize the sample data. Summarize the quantity of sampled observation is called as a test statistic. Okay, this is the test statistics, and we decide using test statistics whether reject hypothesis or accept hypothesis. This is all about steps of hypothesis testing. First of all, set up null and alternative hypothesis, tail of the test, next test statistics, decision and conclusion. Okay, so now next is we have seen that statistics summarize quantity of sample observation which does not involve unknown parameter theta, and parameter is the corresponding quantity about population. Statistics is a summarized quantity of sample observation, while parameter is a population quantity which is a constant. Basically statistics is a random variable because this x bar is a statistic and this x bar follows some distribution, and so that's why this x bar is a random variable and parameter is a constant. Parameter, that means upper difference scooter gives average of 50 km per meter. 50 is a constant, so that's parameter is a constant. But verbally statistic is a random variable while parameter is a constant. So hypothesis. This is the types of hypothesis. Null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis claims of no difference and it is a complementary hypothesis to the null hypothesis. Next, error. Type 1, there are two types of errors, type 1 error and type 2 error. First of all, type 1 error means rejecting null hypothesis when it is true. Rejecting null hypothesis when it is true is called as a type 1 error. While type 2 error is a accepting null hypothesis when it is false. म्हणजे एखादा इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये जर चुकीचा कॅन्डिडेट तुम्ही सिलेक्ट करताय म्हणजे ऍक्सेप्टिंग यस नॉट व्हेन इट इज फॉल्स. इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये गेल्यानंतर एखादा चुकीचा कॅन्डिडेट तुम्ही त्याला सिलेक्ट करताय म्हणजे काय की तुम्ही इथं चुकताय काहीतरी. सो दिस इज अ टाइप 2 एरर. टाइप 1 एरर मीन्स व्हॉट? रिजेक्टिंग यस नॉट व्हेन इट इज ट्रू. कळतंय का? आणि एखादा बरोबर व्यक्ती सुद्धा एखादी मुलगी एखादा मुलगा त्याने प्रपोज जरी केला पण तो मुलगा बरोबर आहे तरी ती त्याला रिजेक्ट करते म्हणजेच काय तिथे तो चुकते. सो रिजेक्टिंग यस नॉट व्हेन इट इज ट्रू, दॅट इज टाइप 1 एरर. Okay, so this is the error. Okay, the null hypothesis is true. In the decision, we decide to reject the null hypothesis. That means type 1 error. Here we decide the reject null hypothesis and the null hypothesis false. इथे चुकीचं आहे आणि आपण त्याला रिजेक्ट करतोय म्हणजे काय करेक्ट डिसिजन. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज we fail to reject the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is true, correct decision. And we fail to reject the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is false, type 2 error. Okay, समझते हैं? So this is type 1 error. Rejecting null hypothesis when it is true and accepting null hypothesis when it is false. This is a type 2 error. Type 1 error means rejecting null hypothesis when it is true and accepting null hypothesis when it is false. This is a type 2 error. Okay, next. Truth. Has cancer? No cancer, healthy. Doctor says you have a cancer and already has a cancer, so it is true positive. Okay, doctor says you have a cancer and has cancer, true positive. But doctor says you have a cancer and no cancer. ये डॉक्टर चुकतो इथे. तो माणसाला छोटासा हार्ट अटॅक येऊन जाईल ना. त्याला जर काही नसलं तर डॉक्टर म्हणतो की तू कॅन्सर आहे म्हटल्यानंतर त्याला थोडासा हार्ट अटॅक येऊ शकतो. False positive. This is a type of error. Next is doctor says you are healthy but has a cancer. तो एकदम निवांत राहील. मी एकदम नॉर्मल आहे माझा रिपोर्ट. But has a cancer, false negative, type 2 error. Okay. And doctor says you are healthy, no cancer, that means true negative. Okay. So next is critical region. Critical region means a region in which null hypothesis is to be rejected. असा region ज्यामध्ये null hypothesis reject होतो त्याला आपण critical region म्हणतो. Critical region is denoted by W or WC. Okay. And level of significance, that means a probability of rejecting H naught when it is a false. A probability of rejecting H naught when it is false. That means एखादा एक्सपेरिमेंट आपण 100 वेळा परफॉर्म करतोय तरी सुद्धा तो 100 पैकी 100 टाइम्स मध्ये बरोबर आहे. तरी आपण काय म्हणतोय की तो सपोज 5% लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकन्स असेल तर तो 5% टाइम्स रॉंग आहे असं आपण म्हणतोय. बट तो ऍक्च्युअली कसा आहे, ट्रू आहे. याला लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकन्स म्हणतात. लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकन्स मीन्स अ प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ रिजेक्टिंग नल हायपोथेसिस. प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ टाइप 1 एरर. नल हायपोथेसिस level of significance, that means probability of type 1 error. And type 1 error म्हणजेच काय, rejecting H naught when it is true. Reject H naught when it is true. Level of significance, that means type 1 error. And type 1 error, that means reject H naught when it is true. Okay, so this level of significance is we take 5%, 1% or 2%. लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकन्स, that means तितकं रॉंग आपण ऍक्सेप्ट करतो म्हणजे नाही का, तितका रॉंग दिसतो, ऍक्सेप्टेबल असतो. बट इन इंडस्ट्री तो फार कमी असतो. म्हणजे 1% घेतलं तर 100 मध्ये काय जर तुम्ही फॉल्टी निघाली तर 1000 मध्ये 10, लाखामध्ये म्हणजे असं खूप जास्त. त्यामुळे इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये हा लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकन्स फार पॉइंट मध्ये असतो. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट testing of hypothesis, and this is the basic terms you have to study for large sample test. So these are 4 tests: testing population mean to a specified value of mean, testing equality of two population mean, testing population proportion to a specified value of proportion, testing equality of two population proportion. These are the large sample test. And next is small sample test, that means p test, chi-square test, non-parametric test. So, questions?